नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JV and Dr. Minakshi Soni, Department of Homeopathic Repertory, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Digital version 2.0. This is our clinical class. This case worked out on Bogar Bonninghausen characteristic repertory. A lady, 50-year, unmarried, complaining of joint pain since 20 years, came for homeopathic treatment. She had tried allopathic, Ayurvedic, and homeopathic therapies, and that gave slight relief for a short period, but the complaint remained. That case is taken from the BBCR's repertory, and this is solved by Dr. Boger. It was diagnosed to be a case of rheumatoid arthritis with the following picture in brief: location, sensation, modality, and accompaniment. The location: joints small and big since 20 years and slow onset. Sensation: pain and swelling of single joint, pain as if a scorpion bite, and burning type of sensation, impossible to put feet down. And modalities: after tension, aggravation, sore thing, cold things, potatoes, milk, and amelioration by hot water bag, gentle massage. Accompanying symptom: lump-like swelling here and there, which disappeared by massage. And stiffness present, amelioration by fasting, and morning aggravation, damp weather aggravation. When she is excited due to worries and tension, her complaint increase. It is also caused breathing difficulty and some throat trouble, and tonsillectomy done in childhood. She used to get frequent colds. Patient as a person: physical generals are appetite good, thirst increased with dryness of mouth, milk aggravation, acidity and joint pains, craving sweet, aversion meat, milk, constipated since childhood, takes hot water in morning which help her, constipation does not bother her. Perspiration in winter also, palm feet head at night since few years, palm and feet sweating reduced. Thermal reaction is chilly. Menstruation function: menarche 16-year, flow 3 to 4 days, and blood dark red, painful, bleeds more if there is tension. Menopause at 41-year old when she is flushes, bleeding increased, hypertension present, leukorrhea thick brownish, sleep good but full of dreams. Mental generals are: she was undergone many hardships in life, all complaint increased by tension, anxiety, vexation, grief, and sorrow. She is sentimental, affectionate, nervous, has fear of darkness, lizards, creeping animals. Classification and evaluation of the symptom: uh, anger, vexation, tension, grief. These are mental symptoms. Cold, wet feet, physical causative modalities: milk aggravation, joint stomach, physical general modalities, sore aggravation, joint and stomach. Physical general modalities: craving sweet, physical general, aversion meat, physical general, aversion milk, physical general, perspiration, head sore, palms, and that is also physical general. Arthritic pain, complaint in general, stiffness, complaint in general. So selection of the repertory: it is found that the case has got strong causative modalities, general particulars along with the marked physical. This is demands Boger method of repertorization and using causative modalities in the first place. Now we can select the rubric: emotion, aggravation, strong mental causative factor. So it is found in the 1166 page number. Wet feet, aggravation, physical modalities. It is found 1152 number page. Milk, aggravation, physical general. Sore, physical general. Desire sweet, physical general. Aversion meat, physical general. Arthritic pain, complaint in general. Stiffness, complaint in general. And after repertorization, that is the result. Our repertorial result is bryonia first medicine, 24 marks, and covered 6 symptoms. Calcarea, 27 marks, covered 8 symptom, Ferrum 16 marks, forward 5 symptom, Lyco 28 marks, 7 symptom, Netramute 22, 7 symptom, Pulsatral 32, 7 symptoms, Alicia 25, 6 symptoms, Sulfur 29, 7 symptoms. So analysis of result and prescription now. We have got a list of close running remedies with the help of patients' other symptoms which are not included in the repertorial totality. The above medicine can be differentiated. Patient is chilly. Patient is sweat on head and palms and sole. Any tension leads to menstrual bleeding. Patient is mostly constipated, which does not bother her. Moderate build, and finally help with the help of technique. Calcarea carb is selected remedy. So the final selection of the remedy is Calcarea carb 200. Calcarea carb is suited best in this case. Thank you. Hope you understand this case. If you have any query, so please mention in the comment box.